Graphics design is changing faster than ever. What worked yesterday looks outdated today. New tools are emerging every day, new styles are dominating social media, and brands are looking for designers that understand these trends. If you're a graphic designer or you are learning graphics design, the question is not do you know how to design? The question is, are you designing for yesterday or are you designing for today? In today's video, I'll be showing you the biggest graphic design trends of 2026 and more so how you can leverage on them to get ahead of 90% of other designers. Let's delve into it. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to be notified when next I post my video. Before we jump into the trends themselves, let's talk about why do trends matter. There are a lot of designers out there who say, I don't follow trends, I do my own thing. But the truth is, graphic design trends, they are the things that affect the industry. They are the things that affect the market. They influence brand identity, they influence website layout, they influence everything around the creative field. Think about it. The designs you see on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all of that, they all take the same pattern, the same trends. And once a designer begins to ignore these trends, what happens is that their portfolio begins to feel very, very outdated. And of course, brands will begin to look for people who better understand these trends and work with them. But here's the thing about it: trends are not there to control you, trends are there to guide you. So look at what great designers do. Instead of just following trends and chasing after trends, what they do is that they combine the trends plus their own creative flair to come up with something awesome. So I'm not teaching you about trends so that you just follow trends blindly. No, still combine it with your own creativity and come up with something that wows your audience, something that is unique to you. Now let's dive into the trends themselves. The first most disruptive design trend in 2026 is AI assisted designs. AI is out there changing a lot of things, the way we do things. AI can generate backgrounds, generate logos, generate a whole lot of things for you as a designer. In this AI world, you have softwares, you have tools like Midjourney, you have Adobe Firefly, and so on and so forth. But here's the thing many people don't understand: professional designers, they don't use AI to replace creativity. Rather, they use AI to work faster and work smarter. For example, designers use AI to create ideas, create mood boards, and even test out their design before they actually begin to use the idea, right, to make the design. And the thing there is, you must come to that point where you know how to use AI to do these things and not use it to replace your own creativity. The point is this: whether you like it or not, designers that use AI will be preferred over people who don't. So don't be someone that you don't want to use AI, you don't want just want to do your thing, you are the raw designer. I can tell you, you're going to fail yourself. So learn how to use AI, not to replace yourself, not to replace your brain, but use AI to come up with things, to come up with ideas, come up with textures, backgrounds, and stuff like that to help you improve your work. At the end of the day, people will prefer those that use AI over those who don't. If you are getting some value in this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to be notified when next I post my video. Let's continue. The second major trend shaping graphic design is bold minimalism. Bold minimalism has been around for years. It is evolving. In the past, minimalism often meant extremely simple designs with very little visual impact. Today, designers are combining minimal layouts with bold visual elements. This new style includes things like clean and simple layouts, large bold typographies, and strong vibrant colors, and a powerful focal point. Instead of filling the entire design with many elements, designers focus on one or two strong visual statements. Some common characteristics of bold minimal design include big font, strong contrast, and a lot of white space. This works especially well today because most designs are viewed on mobile screens. Bold minimal designs are easier to read, they are easier to understand, they are even more visually striking. That's why many modern brands are moving towards this style. Again, the next one we're going to talk about is retro and nostalgia designs. Another major design trend that is making strong impact is retro and nostalgia designs. Graphic designers are bringing back visual styles from the past. but with a modern twist. Some of the most popular retro influences right now includes 90s aesthetics, early internet graphics, VHS textures, pixel art, vintage typography. If you have been on social media recently, you've probably seen designs that look like they came straight from an old computer vintage poster. So why is this trend becoming popular again? The answer is simple. Nostalgia creates emotional connection. When people see visuals that remind them of the past, it triggers memories and feelings. And brands love that. That's why this design style is commonly used in industries like clothing brands, visual styles, music visuals, youth focused brand, and even tech startups. Retro designs feels both familiar and creative at the same time, which makes it very, very powerful. Again, I'm going to talk about 3D design and depth. For many years, graphic design was dominated by flat designs, but now we are seeing a strong shift towards 3D design and visual depth. Designers are increasingly, adding 3D elements to their works. Example include 3D icons, product renders, realistic lighting, floating objects, and dimensional typography. 3D visuals make designs feel more immersive and visually engaging. Some of the tools designers use include Blender, Cinema 4D, Adobe Dimension. Even designers who mainly work in 2D are starting to incorporate small 3D elements into their layouts. Why? Because 3D visual instantly creates a feeling of realism, a feeling of depth, and premium quality. And brands love designs that feel modern and high end. Another huge shift happening right now is the rise of motion graphics. Static designs are slowly being replaced by moving visuals. This is happening because most content today live on social media where movement naturally grabs attention. Example of motion graphics include animated logos, animated social media posts, UI animations, GIF based designs, and motion based storytelling. Designers use tools like Adobe After Effects, Figma, and Lottie, right, to make these things work. Motion graphics help you improve engagement, storytelling, and overall user experience. In the future, designers who understand both static and motion designs will be far more valuable. Next, we're going to talk about is experimental typography. Typography is also undergoing a major transformation. In the past, typography was mostly used just to display text clearly, but today, designers are using typography as a visual art form. Instead of plain text, designers are implementing with things are experimenting with things like distorted fonts, stretched text, layered typography, kinetic typography, and oversized lettering. In many modern designs, the typography itself becomes the main visual element. This approach creates strong impact and helps design stand out instantly. Typography is no longer just about readability, it's about visual expression. If you are getting some value in this video, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to be notified when next I post my video. Let's continue. Number 7, organic shapes and human design. Another trend gaining popularity is the use of organic shapes and human centered design. Instead of perfect geometric shapes, designers are moving towards fluid shapes, imperfect lines, right? Hand drawn illustrations, natural design elements. Why is this happening? Simple, because modern brands want to feel more human and authentic. Perfect shapes can sometimes feel too mechanical, but organic shapes feel natural, they feel approachable, and emotionally relatable. And in a world dominated by technology, only human touch can make a big difference. In conclusion, if you want to stay relevant as a graphic designer in 2026, here are the skills you must pay attention to. Number 1, AI assisted workflow. Number 2, modern typography. Number 3, motion graphics. Number 4, 3D designs and bold minimal layouts. Design is evolving rapidly, and the designers who succeed are the ones who adapt early and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel at Tech Hive, and click the bell icon to be notified when next we post our video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.